Hi, team. Welcome to week 125 job team meeting. Job team meeting. So again, we've got the Excel crew and the on-base crew. Feel free to update these based off of whatever's been working. I do hope that things are going well and that you guys are, that all is going well. And just know that I'm thinking of you and I miss you. All right, so our ninth graders, what are they going to be doing? Today, I have, of course, their circle question, but again, feel free to update anything. What they are going to be doing, our freshmen today are going to be starting their resume. So that way, in the future, when they have to add to it, it won't be as time intensive. So we are going to do all the same slides. You're going to notice all of these are really similar, or they're exactly the same as what we did with our upperclassmen. The change comes in right here around slide 20. So at slide 20, you tell them that we are going to work on these first four, and pardon me, I mean that we're going to do the first five. They're also going to include achievements today. And so the next slide gives the link to those templates. What you want is that you want the students to pick one of these templates, have them do file, make a copy, and know that they're going to be updating the first 5 key elements today. And so then we're just going to go through each one of them and give the students time to update it. So when you get to the example portion, just tell the students, okay, update your contact information now. And let students know for their address, it is perfectly okay just to put the city and the state if they don't want to put their street address. And then go through and update their name. And then when you get to the example, have them actually put their name in then. I would suggest for the objective statement, pasting these in the chat and let the students copy and modify as they see fit and let them know these are things that are going to adjust based off of what they're applying for. So it's just nice to have a placeholder there in the meantime. They'll put their education, their achievements, and then you'll have them share it, put it into the folder and share it that way with you. And you just want to make sure that those first 5 things are updated and let them know that if they don't have a lot of achievements to put in, well, heck, this would be a great time to start thinking about it. Joining a club, getting involved in things because they now have still 3.5 years to add to their resume. All right, and then again, there's the Excel crew and the on-base crew. The assignment today is the you be the editor for Word. And what that means is that students will be, they have a friend who has asked them to edit a paper of theirs. That's the scenario. And so what they're going to do is they're going to be looking for spelling and grammar issues, updating word choice, and then doing find and replace of words. And you can go through this and check it out. I let them know what are the 2 AES modules that will be helpful to them. They're essentially clicking on this document, copying and pasting the information into a new document, sharing it with us, and then I tell them specifically what to do. Here are the editing requirements, here are the word choice requirements, and here are the find and replace requirements. And there are additional tutorials here if they need it, or they can go on to AES. So that is the Word assignment, and then the on-base and Excel will need to be updated. So that's sort of the freshmen in a little wrap up. For the upperclassmen, they are going to be building off of what they did last week, and they're going to be doing some finding of job openings. So really what you want to impress upon them is that in the future, finding a job, it's all online. So it's really important to know how to find those really great positions because you can know what kind of work you want to do. You can know what degree you want, what you're good at. All of those things are great. But if you can't find a position, it really doesn't matter what you know about yourself, right? You have to also match up your skills to a specific job. So today they're going to be searching familiar or important job sites and practicing some different researching job finding skills. And I will update the rest in my next video.